Titignan ko yung mga home foodie parents natin kung ano yung usually kinakain ng kanilang mga anak.
Mahilig ang mga anak ko sa meat, pero mas favorite nila ang hotdog. Basta may sabaw. Meron ba kayong easy recipe na sigurado magugustuhan ng anak ko?
Well, you know, kids are kids. They tend to choose from, you know, food na familiar sa kanila.
Oo, pwede natin gawa ng twist ang mga familiar ingredients or flavors sa kanila. So today, we're gonna make sopas and pork and hotdog menudo. So unahin muna natin ang sopas.
Okay.
So i-melt natin ang ating star margarine garlic. Pagkatapos, ating isaute ang ating onion, elbow macaroni, and then your carrot. And then we'll add in our patis and pepper. Then we'll add in our water.
Okay.
So you have to stir it continuously until it begins to boil again. So once boiling, we'll lower down the heat.
Okay.
And then cover and let this simmer for at least 8 minutes or until almost tender na yung pasta. Ayan, ilagay na natin ngayon ang ating PUREFOODS Chicken in Broth.
PUREFOODS chicken made with lean and juicy shreds of Magnolia fresh chicken breast, cooked in flavorful broth and ready to eat.
Ilagay na rin natin ang ating PUREFOODS Tender Juicy Hotdog Classic. Dahil, alam mo na, kids can tell. At tapos, sundan rin ang ating cabbage. At ilalagay na rin natin ang ating Magnolia full cream milk. And then you let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Ready to serve. That's it.
Next up is our pork and hotdog menudo. Ano bala dyan?
So combine natin ang Monterey pork menudo cut
Okay.
and our soy sauce.
It's Monterey meats you can trust. We heat up our cooked best coconut oil, your best partner for healthy and delicious cooking. All right, so we saute our onions and garlic. And then we shortly add our
Monterey pork menudo cut. So when the color changes, ilalagay naman natin ang ating water, tomato sauce, salt, and pepper. So we'll cover this when it starts to simmer until the pork is almost tender. Okay, after 20 minutes, pwede na natin ilagay ang ating PUREFOODS liver spread. Tapos,
we add our potatoes, carrots, and of course we add our PUREFOODS tender juicy cheese dog.
The #1 hot dog also makes the cheesiest.
let this simmer for another 10 minutes until the vegetables are tender.
Okay.
Ang sarap niya pag it's a day older kasi nanunuot na yung lasa
Parang
dun sa
adobo.
karne, di ba?
So sobrang sarap, napapakanta ka.
But I'm sure the kids will definitely love this hearty sopas and of course our saucy pork hot dog menudo. Mapapakain sila.
So do visit our website, www.homefoodie.com, and our Home Foodie Facebook page para sa mga bago, madali, at masarap na lutuin para sa inyong pamilya.
Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, we'll give you different meal ideas every day na siguradong
Madalicious!
Foodie!